Ladies and gentlemen, this match, one fall with a 10-minute time limit. Introducing first, from Brighton Beach, New York, weighing 340 pounds, Robbie Parliament. His opponent, from Tennessee, weighing 263 pounds, Dr. D. David Schultz.
There he is, Dr. D. David Schultz, going up against a relatively newcomer to the World Wrestling Federation.
I think Dr. D will introduce him.
Your referee for this bout is Terry Yorkston, and young Parliament right now is on the receiving end of a tremendous right-hand smash.
Oh, look at the size of this gentleman that he's against.
Dr. D. David Schultz applying the pressure right now. I'll tell you, they don't come any tougher than David Schultz, Angelo Mosca.
I think he eats nails for breakfast.
He is one tough customer. Pounding away on Parliament. Oh, look at that. Boy, you talk about moving somebody. This kid weighs close to 400 pounds.
And he moved him like he was just a lightweight. Look at the grimacing pain on his face.
Coming up this week, the World Wrestling Federation, Big John Studd, the Junkyard Dog, Cowboy Bob Horton, Rowdy Roddy Piper, and Andre the Giant.
Don't go away, folks. It's an hour of power. Andre is the topping on the cake on this one, Jack.
Good maneuver in there right now by Dr. D, David Schultz. Front face lock. Also, an arm stretch in there. You can see he's got his hand.
He's just taunting his individual. I think he's wants him to make a contest out of it.
David Schultz pounding away on Parliament.
David Schultz exemplifies a lot of power. This fellow might be relatively new, but this David Schultz is a very crafty gentleman.
Schultz likes to work with the ring ropes to his advantage, of course, and works very well with the ring ropes. Terry Yorkston right now warning Dr. D, David Schultz.
I don't know why David Schultz doesn't go ahead and just beat this gentleman, because this young fella that's all he can do is stay in the ring with Schultz. Whoa, that was like thunder.
Clenching both fists and catching the youngster. Look at that, tremendous elbow smash in there by Dr. D. David Schultz. 1, 2, that's it, all over.
It wasn't even a contest.
No contest
but
at all.
I assure you, look at the face on that David
Oh, yeah,
Schultz.
man with a mission right there.
It's only one that a mother could love.
Dr. D. David Schultz, victorious in the opening bout this week here on the World Wrestling Federation, featuring the greatest superstars in the world of professional wrestling. All right, let's get the official decision.
The winner of the match, Dr. D. David Schultz.
Dr. D. David Schultz, the winner. Schultz right now leaving the ring, victorious in his bout against the younger Parliament.
Don't worry, every victory's not going to be that easy, Jack.
Yes, David Schultz, as far as I'm concerned, sitting here at ringside, I've seen David in action. He is as I mentioned at the start of his match, he is one tough customer. Look at this. Look at this combination now.
Bobby the Brain Heenan.
That's right. Bobby the Brain Heenan joining victorious Dr. D. David Schultz.
I'm not sure if Bobby Brain Heenan's on a scouting tour.
Well, what's John Studd doing out here?
They're just having a conference. They're backslapping each other.
Studd also joining Dr. D. David Schultz at ringside.
That'd be a dynamite duo right there as a tag team.
Big John Studd, there he is. 7 feet inches tall.